Good morning, everybody, lady and gentlemen. I would like to invite you to go to the pagoda. People wing for children, long time and then say farewell. Don't know they go to the hell or they farewell to heaven. If they go to paradise, good news, smile and listen. If go to hell, what happened? The punishment fall on his soul. Nothing to eat, get hungry. Hey, hey, hey. Become ugly and sorrow. Set free, hell king not alone. Didn't scare, don't know when better. Đây nhưng đăng một đây tí đấy nè. I love you so much in this day. Want to eat thầy nghiệt and cô ăn. You go meet with me and pay for me mắc đèn. Cô ăn drink tất. Cộng cạn pram real from sell card đi.